Hi friends, it's Laura. I have a what sold on what not video for you again, and stuff sold. So I'm super excited about it. First of all, can we talk about this dress? I briefly let you glimpse it in a haul video. I wore it today because I had something else planned that went horribly awry. So I just threw this on because it was hanging up here on the wall. So I love it. It's so pretty. And I got compliments on it, which is always fun for me. Um, anyway, what did I sell today? I sold a total of 20 items in my show today, which thank goodness I really needed it, for $345 before fees. I'm anticipating it's going to be about $293 after fees. Generally, I usually calculate about 15% taken away in fees, but it's usually not quite that much. I always put the real total in the show notes so you can see what that is. But close to 300 bucks. So thank goodness I really needed it. My total number of packages being sent out today is going to be 10, and there are 6 first time buyers. So 4 repeat buyers, 6 first time. Super exciting, very relieved and happy. And let's see what I've got. I'm not going to wrap everything up while I'm doing the video today because I actually have a couple of things that need some lint rolling. And I don't want to like make you sit here and watch me lint roll things. So I'm just going to show you what I got and talk about them real quick. Let's see. So I'm actually going to start off with this skirt. There's been a bunch of shows. I had somebody pop in and ask if I had any St. John items. This person actually pops in every now and then asking for St. John. And I always say, like, no, because I usually don't. This skirt is probably a St. John skirt, but it doesn't have the St. John label in it. So this time I remembered, I was like, hold on one second. And I went and grabbed it. They did buy it. It sold for $15. And they asked if I had any other St. John. I do have a pair of shorts somewhere, but I cannot find them. Before I went away on vacation, I did this whole inventory reorganization, but that also means that a lot of things are nowhere near where I remember them being. So I have to find these shorts for them. But that's cool. So I'm glad I was able to sell this skirt. 15 bucks for that. We're going to put this over here. They were not actually on a hanger because they weren't really in my show, but that was nice. And then let's see. Now I can start with the rest of them. I sold to a new buyer this cute little top from the Limited from the 90s, right? It's like a t-shirty kind of top. This sold for $10. So we've got that. My next package was the St. John. That's also a new to me buyer. All right, next is a repeat buyer who purchased this really adorable little dress. It's like a 70s kind of Georgette style dress, right? Pulls on over the head. It's really cute. Just in my last haul video. And this was $15. Fun. Let's see. Then the next buyer is a new to me buyer who purchased 3 items. This is going to be a heavy package that I will be paying some shipping on, I'm sure. They got this little, this little patchworky kind of blazer, right? It's really cool, right? That was $20. Oh, let me keep these guys separated out. Hold on one second. Not that I'll confuse myself too much, but you never know. Then they also got this sweater by Express, also like a 90s gem, right? There's that label, sort of. This thing is so pretty. It's so funny to me because this is marked size large. And like we definitely were into the oversized in the 90s, but this is like insane. So hopefully she loves it. It's really cozy. And let me see, I don't remember how much that was. Either 15 or 20. That was 15. Okay. And then she also purchased this little shift dress. It's like a handmade double knit polyester type of dress. And this sold for 15. So that's nice. It's all going to a new to me buyer. All right, let's see. Next is another new to me buyer who purchased this adorable little floral overall shorts set item piece, vintage bonjour. And these sold for $20. I got these from my little local thrift guy. So that was nice. All right, next I have another new to me buyer who purchased 3 items. First is this 80s like gold lace overlay skirt. I'm assuming this was 15. Yes, $15. That was nice. Then next was this block print sort of Indian style skirt, which I'm assuming was also 15. 10. I sold this one for 10. That's good. So nice. And then the Indian cotton wrap skirt. Is this 20? This might have been, no, this was 15. Okay. So one of these guys, really nice. So that was nice. All right. And next is I think my final new to me buyer purchased 2 items. They got this robe, which I love. This is so ridiculous. It's amazing. And one of these got a little bit bid up. This went for $17. So I would have started it at 15. I love this thing. It's so cool. I actually forgot that I had it. I had recently seen it when like going to post one of my haul videos. It's like, oh, I guess I sold it. No, you never posted it, Laura. So I found it last night while I was desperately looking for more inventory to add to my show. The other item that this person purchased was another robe, this cozy little quilted number. So cute. And this sold for 15, which is not a surprise. That's what I assumed it was going to sell for. So let's see. Next is a repeat buyer for me. This is another piece that got bid up a little bit. I think I started this at 20. This is an Alex Coleman maxi skirt. Like, look at the colors on that. Awesome. So cool. So I started it at 20. It got bid up to 24. And it's a tiny size too. So, that's pretty nice. And then let me see. I'm going to do this one next. This is a repeat buyer for me. She purchased 2 items. She got this, which reminds me of those like American Climax kind of cotton gauze dresses. This sold for, I'm going to assume 15. Yes, sold for $15. Very cool. And then she also got the Indecent Proposal dupe dress. You can't really see it here too much, but this is like a copycat of a dress that Demi Moore wore in Indecent Proposal. Had a tongue twister with that when I did the haul video too. And this sold for, I believe, $25. So, and that's because like I know that I could have listed this on Etsy for like 150 bucks or something. And it's like a size large, which is great also. So that's nice. And then the last package I'm sending out today is to another very regular customer of mine. Hi, because I think you watch. Hi. She got so much cute stuff. Just she always does. She and I have incredibly similar tastes. So first she got this designer name that I keep mispronouncing, Lanvin. It's French. You'll know that one, right? And it's like this super groovy, like neon video game kind of print. Really cool. I'm pretty sure that was 15. Yeah, for 15. And then this polyester shirt, which also I love. So cool. Let's see. This sold also for 15. Isn't that great print? Oh, my color went a little funky, but there you go. And then this robe, this Vanity Fair robe. She had mentioned last week that she was interested in this, but she had to hold off on buying anything. So she got this. I'm pretty sure, again, I think it was 15. So this actually, I started it at 15, but it sold for 19. So I got a couple of bids. People really do like these things. I know I've talked about it previously. Like I am aware that people like those types of robes, but it doesn't compute for me all the time. That one I really love because the colors are so fantastic. But a lot of times if I see them in just like more ordinary colors, I don't always get them. I don't do great selling them on the other sites, that's the eBay and whatnot. Like I do sell them. It just, I don't know. I guess I expect them to sell faster or something. I don't know. But that one was so awesome. I love the colors. Next, she got this sweater, also love, right? So that's one of those Nanelles. Colors are fantastic, clearly. And this sold for $20, which I'm pretty sure is what I listed it for. I paid up a little bit more for these when I got them, so part of the reason I had to charge more for them. Um, and then the final item that she got, oh, hold on one second. I screwed it up a little bit. There we go. Okay. Final item that she got was the Ladybug set. Um, so freaking cute. And this went for 30. And if you remember, because I just talked about it in my haul video, I forget what I said I paid for this. It was like 13 or 14 bucks, I think, that I had to pay for it. So I listed it at 30. Um, and it sold to her, which I'm also very excited about. It's such a cute piece, and she has such great taste. So that is everything from my sale today. I am so happy and relieved. I really needed a nice sale, both for my ego and for my bank account. So, yay, everyone's happy. And I'm going to get to work wrapping it all up. Thank you so much for watching this again. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. I know I kept it a little bit short today, but there will be longer videos in the future because I always ramble. So, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.